Hey traders, welcome to the BitMarkets tutorial on how to purchase BTMT, our platform native utility token. Get to know about all what BTMT has to offer by visiting the BTMT hub. Simply click on the BTMT tab and explore. Buyers and holders of BTMT enjoy ultra low trading fees, round the clock VIP customer support, participation in exciting reward programs, and much more. To buy the token, log into your BitMarkets account and you'll be redirected to your trading portal. Next, head over to your spot wallet, which securely holds all your cryptocurrencies and fiat currency on our platform. Locate the BitMarkets token, select Convert, and choose the cryptocurrency or fiat you wish to exchange for BTMT. Input the amount, click Convert Now, and you're done. Let's clarify what these first two balances entail. The total balance shows your entire BTMT holdings, while the available balance includes pending orders. If you wish to trade BTMT, head over to our spot trading platform, which can be found in your trading portal. Find the coin bar, search for BTMT, and select the trading pair of your choice. To simply buy or sell BTMT at the current market price, toggle the market order option. Next, decide on the amount of BTMT you wish to trade, or the equivalent value in the currency used to trade BTMT, and initiate the order. BTMT comes packed with exclusive benefits, and you can unlock the token's full potential by participating in our Earn program, which rewards users who purchase and lock up BTMT with interest over time. If you have any questions, queries, or concerns, you may contact our support team at any time. Thank you for choosing BitMarkets.